birthday, Axel. I hope you're enjoying your birthday. Mommy loves you very much, and I hope you are enjoying your birthday party, and I hope it's one to remember. Happy 5th birthday, baby. I love you.
Oh, what's up, Axel, man? I just want to say happy birthday. I'm proud of you. You're a very intelligent young man. You had a great year so far. Keep up the great work. I hope you enjoy your day and can't wait to celebrate with you on Saturday. And yeah, man, you straighten up my strings. But yeah, happy birthday, man. Happy birthday. Peace.
Happy birthday, Axel. I love you so much. I hope you have the best birthday ever.
Hey Axel, it's your unkie. I love you so much. Happy birthday, big boy. Crazy chicken nugget man.
Happy birthday, Axel.
Bring me down, can't none what? And levels too high to bring me down.
Happy birthday, Axel. We love you, buddy. Happy birthday.
Hey Axel, happy birthday to you. Hope you have a great day. Have fun with your family. Play with all the gifts that you got. And we'll be seeing you in a couple weeks where we can play together. See you soon. Love you.
Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer.
Happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer.
Gamer versus gamer.